Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Wireshark tool. Wireshark is a packet analyzer tool and is used to analyze various network protocols. I'll show you some basic things in Wireshark, like how to add a column, coloring rules, etc. Along with this, I'll show you how to analyze the live traffic coming and going out from our system. Also, I'll show you how to analyze the PCAP file which is already captured. So let's get started. So first type Wireshark download in browser and go to www.wireshark.org and select Windows installer 64-bit. My system is 64-bit, so I am downloading the 64-bit Windows installer. So it will take a little time depending on your internet connection. So let's wait for the file to download. Okay, click on the downloaded file. Click next. Keep everything default. We don't have to select or deselect anything. Just keep clicking on the next and accept the agreements whenever required. Click install. Finish. The installation is complete now. Now we'll open the Wireshark and we'll check all things in the Wireshark. Here it is very important to select the interface. Now I am connected to the Wi-Fi, so I can see the traffic flowing through my Wi-Fi interface. So I have selected that one. Uh, this one is the display filter where we can write the filter queries and as per our requirement. This is the captured. Second row is the captured traffic. The third row is the details of the selected frame. Um, so I am selecting frame number 327. See the details of frame number 327 is listed here, and the last row is the hexadecimal content of the selected packet. Now here we don't see source port, so I will add source port column in this. So write source port title and type as a source port unresolved and select OK. You can drag and drop the columns wherever you want as per your convenience. Okay, now we can see the source port column added. Like each type of packet has a different type of coloring in the Wireshark. We can change the color as per our requirement. We'll see how to change the background color of the packet. We'll change the background color of all the TCP packets to some different color. You can select any color from this. Make sure the color does not repeat because few colors are already used. So choose different color which is not already selected. Say okay. See, we can see all the TCP packets are pink now. Here also TCP packets are pink. Okay, this is all about the coloring. Now we will we will analyze the live traffic. Now I have visited the spotify.com. Okay, so we'll see whether the Spotify traffic is captured in my Wireshark tool or not. So now I stopped the Wireshark, so that because it will capture a lot of packets which are unnecessary for us as of now. So I have written TCP contains Spotify. See, these are all the packets which are related to Spotify. So how do you confirm that? So I will ping the www.spotify.com and I will see the IP address of the Spotify. So this is the IP address of the Spotify. We'll compare this IP address with the IP address which is got captured in Wireshark. See, this is the same IP address which is there for Spotify in command line. So we'll again analyze different type of traffic. Now I will ping. Will analyze the ping packets. See, ping. I am pinging the device which is connected on the same network as me. So I will type ICMP because whenever the ping is used, it sends ICMP echo to the destination device. So see, I have started the ping and the ping packets have started reflecting in Wireshark. See, here I am not receiving any response from the destination. The time is getting, it is showing timed out. Okay, so the same thing is captured in the Wireshark also. See, no response found. Request timeout and no response found. So 4 packets were sent from terminal, and these 4 packets are captured in the Wireshark. Now whenever we send a data to any destination, it goes through our default gateway. So I'm checking what is my default gateway IP. I will see what all traffic is getting transferred from my system to default gateway and to the final destination. See, this is my default gateway IP. I will apply the filter such that I will see the traffic coming and going towards my default gateway. Default gateway is the IP of the router, the closest router to our system. So every traffic passes through the default gateway only. See, my IP, I am checking my IP. It's 192.168.2.22. I can see my IP in captured logs. So it is communicating with the default gateway, and default gateway is sending my packets to the destination. And again, whenever the destination is replying back, it is coming to the default gateway, and then the default gateway is sending to my system. Now I am again visiting the spotify.com. I will see whether how the traffic is getting delivered to the spotify.com server. Here we can see some Spotify related traffic. uh, See, Spotify first from my system to default gateway, then we can see the traffic from my system to default gateway, and then default gateway to spotify.com. We can check the protocol, any traffic related to protocol like HTTP and DNS. See, all the DNS traffic is listed in this. We can filter out the traffic from particular system. Now I am filtering out the traffic flowing from my system, so I am putting my system as a source IP, and seeing what all traffic is getting transferred from my system. So this is all traffic which is flowing out of my system. Now we will open the pcap file which is already saved, and we'll analyze, we'll see how to apply the filters in that. Okay, I'll see the HTTP traffic by putting HTTP query in the display filter. If you want to see the port 80 traffic, we have to write this query. So we'll see all the traffic which is coming and going towards the port 80. For DNS traffic, we'll use udp.port is equal to 53, and we'll see all the DNS requests coming and going from my system. I am using UDP because DNS is a UDP protocol and not the TCP. That's why I'm using UDP. Now I want to check the traffic of remote desktop protocol, RDP. So the 3389 is the port number for RDP, and all we can see all the traffic which is related to RDP. If you want to check the data which is related to the get, so now we have get and post methods in web, so we can see all the get request going through my system and coming to my system. Oh, sorry, it's not my system, it is a different pcap file, so it's a different one, sorry. And see this post request, we can see here. And that's it for today. Thank you so much.